life. A concept so simple yet so incredibly complex. What is it that truly distinguishes a living organism from an inanimate object? We might be tempted to say movement, but think of the clouds drifting across the sky. Or perhaps growth, but crystals grow too, forming intricate and beautiful structures. The answer lies in a series of interconnected processes, a delicate dance of life that unfolds within every living cell. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms share a set of fundamental characteristics. They require nutrition, taking in substances from their surroundings and converting them into energy and building blocks. They respire, releasing energy from their food to power their activities. They transport materials within their bodies, ensuring that every cell receives the nutrients it needs and that waste products are removed. And they excrete, eliminating metabolic waste products that could otherwise build up to toxic levels. Living organisms also exhibit control and coordination, responding to changes in their environment and maintaining a stable internal state. This is achieved through intricate communication systems such as plant hormones and the animal nervous system, which allow organisms to sense their surroundings and react accordingly. Join me on this journey of discovery as we unlock the secrets of life itself. Every machine needs fuel to function, and living organisms are no exception. Whether plant or animal, every living thing needs to take in nutrients from its environment to survive. This process of acquiring and utilizing food is known as nutrition. Plants, often called the Earth's producers, have a remarkable ability. They can manufacture their own food directly from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide through the miracle of photosynthesis. Using energy captured from the sun, they transform these simple ingredients into complex sugars, providing themselves with the energy they need to grow and thrive. Animals, on the other hand, are consumers. Unable to produce their own food, they obtain the nutrients they need by consuming other organisms. Herbivores, like graceful deer grazing in a meadow, get their sustenance directly from plants. Carnivores, like a stealthy lion stalking its prey, obtain their nutrients by consuming other animals. Omnivores, including humans, have a mixed diet, consuming a variety of both plant and animal matter. Nutrition is the foundation upon which all other life processes are built. We often associate breathing with life itself, and for good reason. Respiration, the process of releasing energy from food, is essential for the survival of virtually all living organisms. Just like a fire needs oxygen to burn, our cells need oxygen to unlock the energy stored in the food we eat. At its core, respiration is a chemical reaction. It involves the breakdown of glucose, a simple sugar, in the presence of oxygen. This process releases energy in the form of ATP, the energy currency of cells, which powers all of our biological processes. The true magic of respiration happens within the mitochondria, tiny powerhouses found inside our cells where glucose is broken down and energy is released. Without it, our cells would quickly run out of energy and life, as we know it, would cease. Imagine a bustling city with its complex network of roads, railways, and waterways, all working together to ensure the smooth flow of goods and people. This is a good analogy for the transport systems found in living organisms, intricate networks that ensure the delivery of essential nutrients and the removal of waste products. In plants, this transport system is primarily carried out by two types of vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water and minerals absorbed by the roots upwards to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Phloem carries sugars produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to the rest of the plant, providing energy where it's needed. This intricate dance of circulation is essential for maintaining a stable internal environment and supporting the complex functions of life. Section 5. Taking out the trash excretion. Just like a bustling city needs an efficient waste management system to stay clean and functional, our bodies require a way to eliminate metabolic waste products that are constantly being produced by cellular processes. This vital process of removing metabolic waste is called excretion. While respiration removes carbon dioxide, other waste products need to be dealt with as well. These include nitrogenous wastes, primarily ammonia, which is highly toxic and must be efficiently removed from the body. Plants have various mechanisms for dealing with waste products. Some wastes are stored in vacuoles within cells, while others are converted into less harmful substances and used for growth or other processes. Animals have evolved more specialized excretory systems. In humans, the kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products from the blood and excreting them as urine. Section 6. Keeping things in check, control and coordination. Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra, each musician playing their part in perfect harmony to create a beautiful symphony. This is akin to the intricate systems of control and coordination that operate within living organisms, ensuring that all parts work together in a synchronized and harmonious manner. Plants, though seemingly simple, possess remarkable mechanisms for responding to their environment. They can sense light direction and intensity, adjusting their growth to maximize sunlight exposure for photosynthesis. They can even detect gravity, ensuring that their roots grow downwards into the soil and their shoots grow upwards towards the light. This coordination in plants is largely achieved through chemical messengers called hormones. Animals have evolved more complex systems of control and coordination, primarily through the nervous system and the endocrine system. Together, these systems work in concert, ensuring that the body functions as a unified whole, responding to changes in the environment and maintaining the delicate balance necessary for life. Section 7. The birds and the bees and everything in between. Reproduction. Life is a continuous cycle, with each generation giving rise to the next, ensuring the perpetuation of species. This remarkable feat is achieved through reproduction, a fundamental process that allows organisms to create offspring and pass on their genetic information to future generations. The natural world is a testament to the diversity of reproductive strategies. Some organisms, like bacteria, reproduce asexually, creating genetically identical copies of themselves through simple cell division. However, many organisms, including plants and animals, reproduce sexually, involving the fusion of specialized cells called gametes, sperm and egg, to create a genetically unique offspring. Sexual reproduction in plants often involves colorful flowers, alluring scents, and the help of pollinators like bees, birds, and insects to transfer pollen, containing male gametes, from one flower to another. Animals exhibit a wide array of reproductive strategies, from external fertilization in aquatic environments to internal fertilization in terrestrial animals. Regardless of the specific strategy, reproduction is a testament to the power of life to create more life, ensuring the continuation of species and the incredible diversity of the natural world. Section 8. Staying safe and healthy. Reproductive health. Reproduction is a fundamental aspect of life, but it's essential to approach it with knowledge, responsibility, and a focus on health and well-being. Reproductive health encompasses a wide range of topics, including family planning, safe sex practices, and the prevention of sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. Family planning empowers individuals and couples to make informed decisions about if and when to have children. It involves access to various contraceptive methods, allowing individuals to control their fertility and plan their families according to their circumstances and desires. Safe sex practices are crucial for preventing the spread of STIs, infections that are transmitted through sexual contact. Using barrier methods such as condoms during sexual activity significantly reduces the risk of infection. Regular testing for STIs is also essential, especially for individuals who are sexually active with multiple partners. Section 9. Passing the baton. Heredity. Have you ever wondered why children often resemble their parents, inheriting their eye color, hair texture, or even certain personality traits? This passing down of traits from one generation to the next is called heredity, and it lies at the heart of our understanding of inheritance. The study of heredity is attributed to Gregor Mendel, an Austrian monk who, in the 19th century, conducted groundbreaking experiments with pea plants. Through meticulous observation and careful analysis, Mendel discovered the fundamental principles of inheritance, now known as Mendel's laws of inheritance. Mendel's work revealed that traits are determined by discrete units of inheritance, which we now call genes. These genes exist in pairs, with one copy inherited from each parent. Different versions of a gene, called alleles, account for the variations we see in traits, such as different eye colors. Mendel's laws explain how these alleles are passed down from parents to offspring, determining the likelihood of inheriting specific traits. Heredity is a complex and fascinating field that continues to unravel the mysteries of inheritance, providing insights into who we are, where we come from, and the incredible diversity of life on Earth.